How to enable in-app purchases on iPhone and iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually enable in-app purchases on your iPhone and iPad. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in order to actually enable in-app purchases, so you might have disabled it before, it is very simple. All you have to do is first of all launch this settings app. Once you launch the settings app, what you want to do is you want to go to the option which says screen time. So once you go to screen time, you'll see this kind of interface. You have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find another option that says content and privacy restrictions. So go ahead and then select content and privacy restrictions. Now you'll see all sorts of various options such as these. Go to the one which says iTunes and App Store purchases. Once you go to iTunes and App Store purchases, you can see the option which says in-app purchases. So you might have set it to don't allow before in order to disable the in-app purchases. If you want to enable it, tap on it once and then select the option which says allow. Once you select allow, now you could basically come back and you have enabled in-app purchases, or else you could simply turn off content and privacy restrictions from the top right corner, and then you could just come back over here. Once you come back over here, what you can do is you can also go ahead and then turn off screen time if you want to, and then tap on the turn off screen time button, and this will go ahead and enable all the in-app purchases on your iPad again. And hopefully this video answered the question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.